friends, welcome to another new episode. Today we are going to showcase you the all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus, which recently got launched in Chennai. So without any further delay, check it out. The all-new Audi R8 was recently launched at the Leela Palace, Chennai. Deepika Pallikal and Aditya Patel were there to grace the function on the all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus. The Audi R8 V10 Plus is priced at INR 2.6 crores ex-showroom Tamil Nadu. The all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus comes with the 5.2 FSI mid-mounted engine with 610 HP and gives a maximum torque of 560 Nm. The all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus accelerates in a mere of 3.2 seconds from 0 to 100 km per hour and keeps going to its maximum speed of 330 km per hour. Every part of the all-new Audi R8 is designed to give the best possible performance at all times. For the first time, the newly developed Quattro drivetrain also works with the Audi Drive Select, enabling you to drive the all-wheel drive system for better traction and control. The all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus comes with the new Audi Laser Light technology. At 60 miles per hour, the 4 high-power laser diodes are activated by the high beam, sending out a narrow laser beam of white light that is not only brighter than the conventional LED high beam, but it also reaches further, filling the driver's lane with light, eliminating the darkest corners. The design and the aerodynamics of the all-new Audi R8 mean the car is now lighter, flatter and more muscular than before the redesigned side blades for maximum rad tension and a fixed spoiler on the all-new V10 Plus. Just like in a race car, the interior of the high-performance sports car focuses on the driver. The steering wheel, instrument cluster and road all line up along one central visual axis. Drivers can operate all important functions with a multifunction and satellite push buttons without having to take their hands off the steering wheel or look away from the road. The car has newly conceptualized a lightweight bucket seats. The Audi R8 V10 Plus is equipped with factory installed 19-inch wheels. We caught up exclusively with Mr. Aditya Patel and here's what he wished to say about the all-new Audi R8 V10 Plus.
So we just seen the launch of the new Audi R8 here in Chennai. It's a special car because it's the fastest Audi ever produced, produces 610 bhp, and also it stands for what Audi believes in, which is sporty, sophisticated and progressive. You can see that all over in the new R8. And also what makes it special is that 50% of the parts of the R8 road car is shared with the GT3 car, which I race. And that just shows how sporty and what kind of a sports car the R8 really is. As far as Audi's future in India, we've seen at the Auto Expo already the Audi Prologue concept, and a lot of cars are rolling out with that design. In the near future, we're looking forward to the A4, I'm sure. It's got a lot of nice new specs, neat features compared to the old car. So that'll definitely be nice. And racing in Chennai, we do have plenty of races at the racetrack. We love to see you guys there, you're always there. I think we'll have some in the next couple of months, hopefully. They've just resurfaced the track, so it'll be good to watch.
I hope you liked our review. Keep watching this space for more automobile reviews, and without any further delay, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and for further queries, email us to info@blueplanetpro.in, and our official website is www.blueplanetpro.in. Don't forget to wear your seatbelts whenever you're driving a car, and don't forget to wear your helmet whenever you're driving a bike. Safety is more important. Thank you.